head, head, hair, hair, eye, eye, nose, nose, mouth, mouth, ear, ear, cheek, cheek, chin, chin, forehead, forehead, eyebrow, eyebrow, teeth, teeth, tongue, tongue, neck, neck, shoulder, shoulder, arm, arm, elbow, elbow, hand, hand, fingers, fingers, chest, chest, back, back, stomach, stomach, waist, waist, leg, leg, knee, knee, foot, foot, toes, toes, wrist, wrist, ankle, ankle, heart, heart, lungs, lungs, eyelash, eyelash, face, face, brain, brain, muscles, muscles. Great job! Now, let's see how well you remember the body parts. You did amazing. Are you ready for the quiz? Let's go. It's quiz time. Let's test your memory of body parts. Now, it's your turn. Can you name these body parts? Well done. Let's play a fun quiz together. Which part is the nose? Which part is the back? Which part is the lips? Great job! You learned the body parts today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun lessons.